Hi everyone and welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly. Today's video is going to be a Hobby Lobby shop with me and haul. I'm excited to see what spring stuff they have going on. Let's go inside. hopefully I was able to get some good footage. It is still a little hard to film sometimes. I did use a coupon. I always get the email coupon for 40% off a regular item. Had a $20 gift card that I got from Christmas that I used. I'm gonna head home and kind of set everything up and then show you what we got. Also, a side note, it's pretty busy in there, and I think it's because it's raining today. Something about Hobby Lobby and going when it's raining. I don't know, am I alone on that? It's just like the nicest place to go to when it's raining. Anyways, we're gonna go home and I will show you what we got. So we are all back. I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm gonna leave the prices on the screen so you know what they were. I'll also leave the discount because there were some things that were 50% off and 40% off, so I'll leave all of that right here too for you. The reason I actually went to Hobby Lobby was to kind of get our entryway decorated. It's a pretty large wall. It's been pretty much empty since we moved in. I did have some Christmas decorations up, but those are down, so I want to put a kind of a permanent thing there. Now these two, I guess they are like floral wall sconces? Anyways, these were in the floral department and they're the galvanized metal, so I'm gonna put one on each side and then just kind of have different florals in there. I thought these were really nice. I also picked up this wreath. This is the lamb's ear, I think. I do have a couple picks that are like this, and I just really like kind of how soft the green is, and it can kind of be used year long, so I'm going to be putting that in the entryway as well. With these floral picks, I thought they were really cute for just spring, Easter, you know, that whole season. They're $1.50 each. I will probably head to Dollar Tree because they always have some great floral picks and just different stuff, but I thought these were really cute. They kind of just reminded me of like little Easter eggs, so this just screamed spring to me, so I grabbed those. Also grabbed these, again, the lamb's ear, so I'm gonna put those in the wall sconces, and that would look really nice. Also picked up these, bluebells? Lilacs? I'm not sure what they are. They're blue. I didn't want to get anything like too like over the top pink or anything. I thought blue would be a nice kind of calming color to walk into, and I thought they were really pretty. With the blue, I picked up these other stems. So they're a little bit different, and I kind of like that. I think I want one in each, and they're not exactly the same, but again, I kind of like that, so be like this in one, and this in the other, something like that. I thought those are really pretty, especially for spring, and then I can always switch them out as seasons go. That's something that I love to do everywhere in my house. I have a ton of little items that I swap out the floral picks for depending on the season. I think it's a really awesome way to decorate. You don't have to do too much, but grab some different picks and you're kind of good to go there. I've been wanting to permanently decorate the top of my pantry area. I did put a wreath there, but I've been looking at different signs and letterings, and when I was there, I actually picked up a pantry sign. I think it was $25, but 50% off. I walked around to the DIY section and I found these letters. So these were $3.49 each. It made sense to me. They were going to be cheaper if I did it this way and paint it myself. Got an E, got an A. I feel like a cheerleader. Give me a T. So it's gonna spell eat, and I'm going to put this on top of our pantry. I'll paint it probably. I can probably do a video on it, but I'm going to do kind of like a rustic-y chalk paint chip on it. We'll make a video when I paint these. But I thought that would just be a little bit cheaper and kind of fun to do it myself. Okay, so that is everything that I got at Hobby Lobby. I hope that you enjoyed the shop with me and haul. It was really fun. It's one of my favorite stores to go to. I could literally spend all day in there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and tap the bell so you do not miss out on any future videos. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.